Hello guys, in this video we need to talk about our plan for this module. So as you see, we have 5 steps. Let us cover them quickly together and then we start doing them in a practical lab. So the first thing I will need to do is to look to this network diagram, and in this network diagram our plan is going to add this server, which is SQL 2019A, and set this IP address to it, 192.168.0.21. So how we can do that, for our students who they already attend course 1 in the series of Windows Server 2019, they already learned how to create this network diagram, and at that time we had created also source machines. So what we need to do is to clone now a new virtual machine from that source machine. Then this is the first step. Of course, once it is cloned, I need to power it on. Then for other machines, I need to revert machines according to the old snapshot or the most recent snapshot according to the need. We will discuss later why do we need to do that and how to do it. But we cannot keep the machines with their current configuration and settings. We need to revert them to a checkpoint. We will check later which machines need to be reverted and how to do that. Then because of this revert, you might get a chance, the trust relationship between the device and the domain controller, it might be broken and you need to fix it. So the next step, we need to fix links with the domain controller. Then I need to update machines with the normal updates from Microsoft. So by this, I will upgrade now my operating system to the last version, and also I will be able now to simulate a real network, which I will use it later not only for the purpose of these courses, but also for the advanced courses. The SQL will be in there, join the network, the main design, and we start to add system center configuration, system center operation. We might even add Linux server with advanced courses. So your work which you are going to do in this section is very important because it's going to shape the future of this network with the advanced courses. Once we're done with updates, now it is time to take a temporary snaps or temporary checkpoints. And the reason of that, imagine now you have the SQL box. It is a fresh box already joined to the domain. You have all the updates and you want now to try the installation of SQL 2019. Through the installation, might be something went wrong and you want to fix it. Now, the price of fix is going to be very high if you don't have this temporary checkpoint. Otherwise, you can simply revert the machines involved to the temporary snap. You have the fresh box joined to the domain, you have the domain controller, the relationship between them is fixed, and from there you can retry the installation of Windows Server 2019. Now, once we're done with the installation of 2019 SQL, yes, I need to create a checkpoint, and this checkpoint is going to be the valid most recent one, which I will use it from now on for future courses with system center configuration, system center operation, etc. So this is exactly the plan of this module, which we need to do it before the installation of SQL Server. Thanks for watching.